Alright guys, I'm gonna try to install this now, but first let me show you something. So this is my 4-port map valve. That's how I did the connection to the 60mm wastegate. Alright, so yeah guys, back to this. I was trying to make one of this because I didn't want to spend the money, but eventually I spent the money and bought it. Let me zoom in. That's the one I built there with a stainless. This for me to weld this, the cover plate here, it's too thin. This is thick because it's stainless steel, and this is stainless steel. So I didn't do a good job welding. At least I never tried it, I never tested, but you can see those big ass holes in it, guys. There it is. So I'm about to take it off now and put on this one so I can get the car started. Alright guys, I finally get it in. There it is down there. That thing was a pain to put on, guys, because of the RSX with no space right there, and I didn't want to go through all of it, dropping the mount and everything. So I did though have to cut off a piece of the Allen key right here so it would fit, because it was a little bit too long. Well, however guys, this is the one that I've made. It was not completed. This burnout, it was too thin. I don't know how to really set the machine. I'm a beginner at this welding stuff. I'm learning though. I just need a teacher. Well, almost not too bad for a rookie. And this was my second time trying to use the machine, guys. Can't weld such a soft metal. Alright, so there it is. The line is right there. Let me see if I can turn the video down. There's a line. Right there. Run all the way up there. Go through the turbo. There it is down there.